Senator. Oh, see that.
I'm happy that you. I actually saw a video of yours a few weeks ago. And
Really?
I addressed it in this week.
Over 5 million people.
Addressing a large crowd.
Large crowd.
Yes. And I felt that this man was not talking like me as if I was there. My life is all about people unification in our own area. That is Anyama. We are all Igbos.
Anyama is Igbo. They bear Igbo names, they speak Igbo, but some of them, I don't know if it's ignorant. You see some of them be saying, I'm not Igbo, I'm from Benin. Okay, when somebody says you are from Benin, you don't bear Benin name. You don't speak Benin language.
Yes.
And you keep saying you are from Benin.
But let me tell you how it all started. At least two reasons that gave rise to that kind of crisis, identity crisis. One is what I know that I've been witness myself. During the war, many people were killed in Asaba massacre, and then in the various communities. At that point, they told us, including myself, that if we see any Nigerian soldiers, we should tell them that we are from Benin.
Oh, they told you people.
They told them. I was told, along with my cousins,
if you see any Nigerian
soldier,
that they are from Benin,
that they are going from village to village, killing us.
Oh.
You understand? That if we must survive, we must deny
being Igbo.
Do you understand? So that is the one I can tell you as a witness. And of course, the other one is historical. And what is that? You know, over time, we had the Benin Empire. Then we had the Oyo Empire. We have the Kanem Borno Empire. All the empires, British Empire, you name all the empires. But of course, Igbos never had an empire.
Yeah.
But at some point, when we had the Benin Empire, the influence extended to our area. They were powerful, not because they lived with us, no, but they administered our area from where they were, from Benin City. And because of that, I remember, like for example, in 1972, there was my uncle was one of the crowd as he came. We were told that the Oba of Benin had to come to give his stamp office because we were their subjects. That's, you see how it has been historical.
Yeah.
Because the Igbos are more like the Chinese. I was with the Chinese ambassador last 2 weeks ago, and I told him that in Nigeria, the closest to Chinese are the Igbos, because Igbos are veterans, Igbos are hardworking, they are industrious. Their Igbos are everywhere. There's no village you go to in the world that
you cannot see
Igbo man, or even Chinese now. You go to Europe, America, Igbo, Chinese are everywhere. And, you know, they go, not because of government telling them. Igbo don't go with the government. Government is not because of government policy. Like Chinese who are in Nigeria, they're not there because of any government policies. You see, like the British people, they only go where the government approves of them to go to. Same with the American, they only go where the government approves. But the Chinese and the Igbos were everywhere. So what we need to do is really to bring home all the Igbos who are outside the main heartland of Igbo,
the 5 states.
The 5 states. And I love what Ohanese has done. Ohanese's constitution is that it provides that there are 7 Igbo states. The 5 states that we know, plus
Anyama Delta,
plus
River State,
plus Ikwere. That's why they rotate the leadership of Ohanese amongst these 7 areas.
So what of our people who are also, like if you go to some part of Benue today, you will still see Igbo speaking community.
Yeah.
And the Kogi, Igbo speaking community.
These are all historical movements. They've been there. I don't know when they were there, but the fact that they are Igbos. From their names, from their culture, from their language, from their food, they're Igbos. And so, but gradually, I hope we will be able to begin to integrate them.
Honestly, it's too busy. Very, very, but when it comes to our people, I put all my mind to see. So, first of all, I want to appreciate your efforts.
Thank you.
Anyama State is something that which all of us are supposed to support. And I've been talking about it here. I've been mentioning your name sometimes.
He was one that told me about you for the first time.
And we have the
I knew about the Zion ministry, but I knew it through one man from Obashiku. They call it Zion. In fact, I thought the Zion was an Obashiku project. I didn't know.
No, we have branch in Obashiku. We have branch in Delta State.
That's why I'm telling my distinguished, you know.
So, your efforts, I appreciate it.
Thank you.
And I love our people so much. If you watched recently, a few months ago, I viewed the biggest mental challenge expected in Anambra State. The Governor Soludo was there to commission it. And it's free of charge to our people. That people can go there and have free medical care. And 5 months ago, I still viewed elderly bosom, orphanage, and other in Imo State. His Excellency Governor Obi was also there to commission it. I view this is free of charge because of the love I have for our people. Okay, in Imo State, he was there. But Anambra one that we commissioned last month, he was not there. But Governor of Anambra was there present. I love our people passionately. So when I see you trying to unify our people and you are boldly saying, oh, I am Igbo, I can't deny my identity for any reason. He brought some clarity on the whole issue that you were told when you were small, don't accept that you are Igbo. Because if you say that Igbo, they will...
I've granted interviews to that effect. I'm sure you guys, you must have seen it. There was never any conquest by the Igbos. There was never any known wars that the Igbos fought to come and and tell us that your children must be Igbo name. Because every Delta person, every Anambra person has an Igbo name.
All of them.
Without exception.
Now,
and so you ask them, were your parents compelled?
Were they conquered?
No.
Were they conquered?
There was no war.
There was no war. There were no.
If people are visitors, how do they now compose their language on you?
So even the Beninese who had their empires, they never forced their identity on us. They did it. We still remain who we are. You know, so
I'm so happy and proud of you that you are standing up for this. It's a time to correct this a whole lot of ignorant awareness. So I see your hand rising up over this issue. For me to say, maybe you don't really know me. I am Evangelist Ebuka Obi. I have passionate love for our people.
I can see that.